Hi, welcome to your Daily 5. I'm Sarah and this is resilience training. Are you ready to have a strong mind, a healthy body, and to know your feelings a little bit better? We've got 5 steps, and step 1 is to think. So, everybody take a nice big breath. Close your eyes. How are you feeling? Ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Open your eyes. It's time for step 2, time for training. I can hear the drums. You've got 10 seconds, find a space. 10, 9, 8, 7. You need to be like this and like this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. And jumping jacks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And punch. 2, 3. Don't hurt anybody. 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to jumping jacks. Go. 1. Keep up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 5, 6, 7. Oh, we're done. Let's march on the spot. Good job, guys. Take some deep breaths. Bring your body speed back down. Okay. We've done step 1. We've done step 2. We are moving into step 3. Let's just take some nice deep breaths. Okay? Nice deep breaths. Now, step 3. We are on the top of a mountain. This is stretch time. Okay, now the reason I love mountains is because they have this firm foundation and they're super strong. We are going to become that mountain today. Are you ready? I'm going to lift this foot up. I'm going to plant it in the ground. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Plant it nice and firm. The next one, pick it up. Boom. Nice and firm. We've got our really strong foundation of our mountain. You should be able to kind of move around and wriggle a little bit. You got that? Okay. Now, mountains are super strong and beautiful. So, all that strength is going to come up through our toes, up through our feet, up, 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 up. Take a big breath. Okay, now the tip of your head. Top of your head is the top of the mountain, so stretch it up nice and tall. Think super strong. We've got one arm this way and one arm this way. Okay? Brilliant. Take a nice big breath. Breathe it out. Now, it's really hard to be strong without being brave, so we need to get ourselves some courage. We are going to paint a rainbow of courage over the top of our heads. We're going to dip our fingers in some paint. Take a deep breath in and right over. Big word of courage. Breathe in, catch it on the way back. Okay, we're going to do that on this side. Dip your fingers in the paint. You ready to go? Breathe in, breathe out, and then breathe in, catch the courage. But we don't just want it over the top of our heads, we want it inside of us. Okay, so we're gonna breathe in, and as we breathe in, we're gonna catch the courage, pull it down inside of you. Okay, strong and brave. Again, you can say, I am strong and brave. Last time. I am strong and brave. Super. We are going to move into step 4. Step 4, we find our anchor. So let's take that courage with us, and we're going to sit down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just get yourself settled, okay? Take a nice big deep breath in. Okay, so this is where we find our anchor. So we're going to pick up our anchor, pick it up, and we're going to just put it on top of our head. And the word for this week is courage. And courage is written on our anchor this week. So think, I am brave, I am strong, I have courage. We're going to move our hand down, and we're just going to, when we breathe in, fill our whole head with that breath and with that courage. We're going to breathe in for 3. 1, 2, 3. And as you breathe out, you should feel that heat on your hand. 3, 2, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. You're going to move your hand down onto your chest. And as you fill that with air and fill that with courage, it's going to inflate and get bigger, okay? Let's try that. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Move the anchor down to your tummy. The breath's going to fill your whole body. You can get this courage every time you take a breath. Okay, breathe in. 2, 3. You can close your eyes. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. 2, 3. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Last time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you choose for the last breath. Where did you find it easiest? Put your hand where you found it easiest to find your anchor. And take the biggest breath you've taken all day, a great big breath of courage. Are you ready? Go. And out. Okay. Open your eyes. We're going to go to step 5. And step 5 is where we return back to your day. And we are ready and we are resilient. Guys, you've done a great job. I will see you again tomorrow.